Liris Chica, Donnie Pangilinan, hindi raw nagkamali ng pagpili ng girlfriend. Kanyang ipinagmalaki sa isang interview ng Showbiz Insider. This girl is so special to me. I can't even explain how lucky I am to have Belle in my life. She's literally so perfect in her own little ways, like her smile, her laugh, her eyes. Everything about her is amazing. And why her? Why not, diba? She's so pretty and perfect person siya. Siya yung nagparamdam sa akin ng pagmamahal at pinaramdam niya sa akin yung totoo. No lie, no cheat, and also no breakup. She treat me well. Mahal na mahal ko yan.